An absolutely enraged Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar today has accused the media of asking what he called wrong and inappropriate questions on the murder of an Indigo airline executive close to his home in Patna. He said, if you have any clues, please share it with the police. This is what the Bihar Chief Minister said, challenging reporters to help solve a crime. NDTV's Manish questioned the rattled Bihar Chief Minister, who lost his cool on these tough questions that were posed by my colleague Manish Kumar. When Manish asked him to comment on Bihar's law and order situation, he turned around and replied saying, ask questions on the RJD Raj. So this, of course, is what happened. Manish joins us in just a bit, but let's first take a look at what the Chief Minister said.
ये सवाल, आपका सवाल बिल्कुल गलत है, आपका सवाल अनुपयुक्त है। मैं कह रहा हूं और अच्छी तरह जान लीजिए कि आप इस तरह से पुलिस को डिमोरलाइज मत करिए। और पुलिस पूरे तरह से काम कर रही है और जो भी पुलिस वाला अगर अपने काम को नहीं निभाता है उस पर भी कार्रवाई होती है। आप जरा गौर करके देख लीजिए, पहले क्या होता था, हम आप ही से पूछते हैं, क्या था 2005 के पहले, क्या था, कितना हिंसा, कितना अपराध, किस तरह से होता था। आज वो स्थिति है, आज वो स्थिति है। पूरे बिहार, पूरे देश का हर साल का फिगर प्रकाशित होता है अपराध के आंकड़े का। बिहार अपराध के मामलों में 23वें नंबर पर है। लेकिन एक एक चीज फिर भी दुख होता है, अगर कहीं किसी की हत्या हो, यह दुखद है। और आप जानते हैं हत्या करने वाले पर कितनी कार्रवाई होती है और उसके लिए कानून बना हुआ है और कोर्ट से भी उनको होगा। आप अच्छी तरह जान लीजिए, जरा जा करके दूसरे राज्यों में भी चले जाइए। मैं भला आपसे कोई बात कर सकता हूं? आप इतने महान व्यक्ति हैं और आप किसके समर्थक हैं? मैं आपको डायरेक्ट पूछ रहा हूं, आप जिनको राज मिला 15 साल तक, पति पत्नी के राज में जितना अपराध होता रहा, आप उसको क्यों नहीं हाईलाइट करते हैं? आप करिए, हम क्या है भाषण दे रहे हैं? हम कोई भाषण नहीं दे रहे हैं। आप जो आजकल जो भी किसी के चीज के बारे में, कोई भी किसी चीज के बारे में जो लोग बोलते हैं, एक एक चीज पर एक्शन लिया जाता है। लेकिन अब आपका तो हम कर नहीं सकते हैं, आपकी तो हम बड़ी इज्जत करते हैं, लेकिन इन दिनों आपके जो खासियत सलाहकार हैं, आप उन पर भी जरा ध्यान दीजिए और नई ट्रेनिंग भी करवाइए।
And Manish Kumar joins us with the very latest. Manish, you asked some very direct and very tough questions to the Chief Minister and he absolutely lost his cool.
Yes, clearly, Risika, because we kept on asking. I was particularly, asking him that why you emphasize so much on the detection, because detection is always after the incident. Why don't you take preventive steps to, prevent such crimes like murder which has taken place right, just 2 kilometers from your CM's residence. And then I asked him, my first question to him was that, Mr. CM, आप कितने सुरक्षित हैं? And what about your 2 deputy CMs? Are they safe? Because the people, the common people in Bihar they don't feel safe because आपका इकबाल चला गया है, and that was something he lost cool, and he kept on reminding that you don't ask about that the period between 1990 to 2005. Then I asked him that, sir, आप कितने सालों तक, कितने सालों तक आप यही कंपैरिजन करते रहेंगे, क्योंकि 15 सालों से आप भी सरकार में हैं. Then once again he lost the cool. Then I asked him that you talk about contacting the police officer, but the fact remains that no common man can reach out to any of your cops, because your cops, they don't take anyone's call. Then he had to, he was somewhere, he was forced to call up his own DGP, and then he had to instruct him, please ensure that all the calls made to you are attended either by you or by some staff. Later, within few hours also, there was an official, notification also in this regard. But the bottom line remains, the Chief Minister of Bihar doesn't have any answer that why can't he take preventive steps to, prevent such, heinous crimes like, murder which has taken place in the state capital Patna, and several incidents of rape, including one rape incident in which after the, gang rape, the victim was also burnt alive inside her house. Rishika.
All right, Manish Kumar, appreciate you for joining us with the very latest, so very straight, direct questions that Manish asked of the Chief Minister. And as we played out that video clip for you, the Chief Minister completely lost his cool and in fact targeted Manish, saying ask the previous establishment of its track record. This, remember, is the 4th term of Chief Minister Nitish Kumar.